Hello guys, welcome to the 10th tutorial HTML. I'm gonna be teaching you about nested elements and what nested elements mean. What is nested element? I'm gonna write it here with the p tag. The p tag stands for paragraph. Nested elements are elements that carry other elements inside them. You know that we have different type of nested elements, which are the child element and the parent element. You know that the father is the head of the family. Let's say the father is the owner of the nested element, is the element that carries the children, the mother and all the rest. Nested elements are elements that carries other elements inside them. Like, let me say this body is a element, is the parent element. This element is the parent element. Then this p tag that wrote is the child element, because the p element is inside the body element. What if I just write the b tag, right? Elements are important in HTML. Yes, elements are important in HTML. Without elements, you cannot write a code. You just put a tag like this. And what does it mean? It means it's just a tag, nothing, no element inside to tell the browser anything. That's gonna do it for this video. I will see you in the next video. Thank you.